everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm gonna guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to redeem Genshin Impact gift card. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you've got a Genshin Impact gift card with you and you'd like to redeem it online, then first thing to do is to open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press enter on your keyboard. Continue with the official website button in the top right hand corner and click on this blue box right here in the middle of the screen. Now you'll need to go log into your Genshin Impact account by clicking on this login button in the top right hand corner and enter your credentials. Now click the login button after entering your email address and your password associated with Genshin Impact. Once you're logged into your account, click on the redeem code button at the top of the screen from this page and now select your server from the drop down. Before redeeming your gift card, you must have created a character on this server. If not, you won't be able to redeem your gift card. So make sure to obtain a character nickname, and once you do, enter your redemption code on the next box. Finally, click the redeem button and that way you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Genshin Impact. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.